Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 31st, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir also is suffering from a little bit of a pullback. So 15 cents down today, minus 1.08%, closed at 13.73. Post market, we are even, Steven. So we could not break 14.42 yesterday, and we came below 14.18 also. And today it's pretty much a sideways day. We are a little bit down, and we are coming right onto this bullish channel support. So it's going to be interesting to see if we are able to maintain this or if we are going back to this other bullish channel support that we came out of a couple of days ago. So today was not a great day for the stock market. So we had things go down. So you can take a look at my Tesla video where I take a look at the indices and the VIX also. So you can see that it's pretty much the same thing that is happening everywhere. So we just need to be cautious. We don't need to predict what is going to happen. We just need day by day to see if the move is significant. If the move is significant, we can act. If it's not significant, it's just noise and we don't act. And what makes a move significant? Our indicators, stochastic especially, and our resistance lines and support lines. So these are there to make us dismiss moves that are not significant. So right now, there's no significant move yet. This is just noise. It's minus 15 cents, but it doesn't change much here from a daily perspective. Let's go see the 1 hour chart here to understand what happened. So we started the day with this candle right here, 9:30 candle. So we had this support at 13.73 intraday support. So we broke it a little bit, but we went and almost touched this bullish channel support. So this is really nice to see that we respected the support here. And but then after that, we basically went sideways, almost retesting 13.73 right here. And then it seemed like we are dropping. So 13.73 seemed to almost have been break. And now we have stochastic below 60. So the very short-term move on the 1 hour chart is going to be down. The big question is, until when is it going to be down? We don't need to predict. We just need to be there and look at it every single day and then decide if the move it is making is significant or not. So let's go back to the daily chart. So stochastic still at 84, MACD still super great, RSI still super great, and we still have DMI above zero. It seems like this is only going to be a pullback for now. So thank you for subscribing. To get every video, I do a Palantir and Tesla video every single day of the week. So please subscribe and click on that little bell so that you get those notifications as soon as I get those videos out, usually around 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.